A solar eclipse occurs when the moon passes between the sun and Earth. This can result in a partial or total obscuration of the sun as seen from Earth. During a total solar eclipse, the sun is entirely covered by the moon, casting a shadow on a specific region of the Earth. There are three types of solar eclipses: partial solar eclipses, annular solar eclipses, and total solar eclipses. Moon partially covers the sun, casting only a portion of its shadow on Earth. From the perspective of an observer, it appears as if a bite has been taken out of the sun. Partial solar eclipses are more common than total eclipses, and can be seen from a broader geographic area. Annular eclipses happen when the moon is near its apogee. An annular solar eclipse occurs when the moon is too far away from Earth to completely cover the sun's disk. As a result, a ring-like appearance, known as the Ring of Fire, is visible around the edges of the sun. The moon completely covers the sun, blocking its entire disk. This results in a brief period of darkness known as totality, where the sun's outer atmosphere, the corona, becomes visible. Total solar eclipses are mesmerizing celestial events, but are visible only within a narrow path on Earth.